Suddenly, YouTube automatically removing certain Chinese communist phrases. That means comments which have certain Chinese language phrases were removed for its Google-owned video platform. However, the company claims that comments were removed by mistake due to an error occurrence. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Google-owned YouTube spokesperson has said that the deletion of comments happened due to an error. It is not related to the privacy policy. Nothing has to be changed in the privacy policy section. Additionally, the spokesperson added that they are examining the error and working on fixing the issue as soon as possible. Apart from this much information, company hasn't revealed anything yet, like how the error occurred and why. As per the research, it has been revealed that the starting of the error had occurred since October 2019, when the problem was raised on the official YouTube page, and many users also affirmed that they had undergone the same issue and still facing. Comments from the videos or live streams have been deleted automatically that contains Chinese language phrases. However, their English translations are not the same. Within 15 seconds of dropping the comment on any video or live stream, the comments get automatically deleted. And, as of now, YouTube has banned in China for many years after creating accidental censorship so complicating. This issue of deleting the Chinese phrases has been raised on Tuesday by US technologist Palmer Luckey on Twitter. Currently, the company has working to resolve the issue as soon as possible. In this tragic situation, technology is playing an immense role to stop the spread of the coronavirus epidemic. Many apps, websites have been developed to identify the risk factor of coronavirus. If we comparing the data of countries, regions, then we came to know that South Korea has successfully slowed down the spread of the pandemic. To slow down the spread of coronavirus, the country has developed various creative technologies as a preventive measure. Along with the frontline warriors, technology also emerges as a warrior to combat the deadly virus. The United States and Europe are still looking for that preventive measures to reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Now, after observing South Korea's consequences, the US and Europe are also shifting to use AI tools or applications to reduce the spread of coronavirus. These AI tools will help public health officials and common individuals in every possible way. The US and Europe are taking technology solutions to slow the spread of coronavirus. It is being assumed that the technology preventive measure can be a stick for the long term and help people endlessly. From contact tracing, symptoms tracing, giving information about every containment territory to help health professionals, technology can be able to battle against the coronavirus epidemic. Ministry of Interior and Safety of South Korea has also developed an app that shares the data of self-quarantined individuals with officials. That means, if anyone tries to cross the limit of their area, the app notifies the officials directly. This much of deep monitoring could be a hindrance subject matter of privacy. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.